Hi guys, I'm on Scholars Avenue in Salford M6 to show you this stunning new property we've got coming up. It is a 3-bedroom modern semi-detached property, 2 parking spaces to the front. As we head inside, we go into the entrance hallway, which provides access to a downstairs toilet and opens up into this lovely lounge space. Towards the rear of the property, got a stylish kitchen diner, plenty of light flooding through from those patio doors to the rear. To the rear you'll find this well presented garden, late lawn grass, paving and stones. As you can see, it benefits from the sun. The property is in a good location within walking distance to Salford Royal Hospital, close to local schooling and transport links throughout Manchester to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre as well. It's also a popular location because it's just a short walk from Buell Hill Park. Upstairs you'll find the main bedroom just through here, which has access to a nice contemporary 3-piece ensuite shower room. Then we have this lovely 3-piece family bathroom. The second bedroom just through here, which is also another double. And then we have the 3rd bedroom. Properties on this development are very popular. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.